Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show us all the software engineers and white collar job people out there, how you can set up a cTrader cBot on the cTrader cloud to make money for you 24/7 without you paying for hosting the cBot in the cloud. Now, for other platforms, trading platforms, for you to be able to host it 24/7 to trade for you, and you have to pay minimum $30 a month. You go to the Play Store, iStore, look for cTrader, install it. It's already installed. Then I'll share a link that you can use to register with Fusion Markets, because those are the people we use actually to trade. Now, once you've done this, then you register using your Gmail address. Okay, and log in. Now, when you do that, you go to my cTrader, click on Algos. Now, this is where you see all the installed cTrader cBots. Now, for you to have one here, you need to go. I'll share a link to one of our cBots, which is XAUUSD Ultimate AI bot. You use that link. Go to cTrader, log in using the same Gmail that you logged in with on the cTrader app, and buy this cTrader. And buy this cBot. Okay. Once you do that, to be able to show here. Now, in order for you to trade, you have to register with Fusion Markets. I'll also share the link in the description. Register with Fusion Market, and then start trading. How do you start trading? You start trading by creating an instance, and then you select the account that you want to trade with, and then start the bot. Okay, that's how it's done. All right, now that's how it's done actually. So I'll show you quickly the details surrounding the statistics surrounding this cBot. So this cBot has already been tested. You can see if you click on it, you'll see the back test. It wasn't us that did this back test. It was actually the cTrader platform that ran the back test by itself. And so you can see the details here. Initially, we were sharing this cBot for free for those early testers, but now you can only get it from the cTrader store. Okay, so this is how cTrader is. Here is where you see, okay, pending trades and all that. But okay, and this is also where you see history and everything. So just give it a try. First of all, download cTrader app. Register, sign up using your Gmail address, then go to cTrader store, use the link below to find our cBot, buy it. That's a good investment for you. And then the next thing to do is use also the link below to Fusion Markets and register there, because they have a very good platform, reliable data, low commissions and all that. So trade with it, make your money, and give us a shout out. Thank you.